Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are wheel spacers safe at high speed? Whether it's because you have added big tires or just desire to widen your car stance, you have concluded that the wheel spacers are the most cost-effective way to do the trick for you, and will solve your fit dilemma.
Wheel spacers are installed between the hub and the wheel, pushing the wheel further away from the chassis, widening the track, so that increases the turning radius a little and also adds stability. This in turn increases the amount of grip that your vehicle has in corners, allowing faster cornering. Spacers can also change the balance of your car's handling.
As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material, modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. So that's all for today's video. If you want to get us BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.